Some everyday carry tools are nice to have. These? They feel essential the moment you try them. Let's start small, but smart. The CIVIVI Tack N Tweez, designed by Bob Terzuola. At first glance, tweezers don't sound exciting, but this retractable set proves otherwise. Machined for precision, it pulls out splinters or fine debris with surgeon-like accuracy. It clips to your keychain, slips into a pocket, and comes with a leather sheath for that touch of class. In the USA, EDC fans are calling it the tweezers you didn't know you needed. In the UK, it's gaining popularity among campers and hikers who value ultra-practical micro tools. Tiny? Yes. But when you need it, nothing else compares. From small to ferocious, enter the Spyderco Matriarch 2. This folding knife looks like something straight out of an action movie. A reverse S-blade made from VG10 steel, paired with the Emerson opener that lets you deploy it instantly as you pull it from your pocket. The spider edge serrations make it a slicing powerhouse. Rope, fabric, or anything tough, it's through in seconds. In the USA, it's favored by law enforcement and serious EDC enthusiasts. In the UK, where laws are tighter, it's admired more as a collector's piece and training blade. But either way, it has a presence that's impossible to ignore. Next up, the balance of elegance and performance. The Cansept Main Street Pocket Knife. A 3.36-inch blade crafted from 154 cm steel, paired with a black and red Damascus handle. It's slim, smooth, and uses an axis lock with a thumb stud for easy, secure action. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or just daily life. In the USA, it's being praised for its value, premium performance without breaking the bank. In the UK, it's becoming a go-to for gear enthusiasts who want something both collectible and usable. Its modern design with real-world utility. And finally, the EDC fixed blade, D2 steel knife. Compact but undeniably tough. The D2 steel blade means hardness and edge retention, while the G10 ergonomic handle ensures comfort, even under stress. It comes with a sheath, making it perfect for carrying on hikes, camping trips, or survival situations. In the USA, it's marketed as a small survival blade that punches way above its size. In the UK, it's carving its niche among outdoorsmen and collectors who want something durable, functional, and visually striking. 4 tools, 4 different approaches to EDC, a pair of tweezers designed by a master, a tactical folder that screams attitude, a sleek pocket knife for everyday tasks, and a fixed blade built for survival. Whether you're in the USA or UK, these are the kind of gadgets that remind you EDC isn't just about carrying gear, it's about carrying confidence. So tell me, if you could only keep one in your pocket or pack, which one would it be? Smash that like button, comment your pick, and subscribe for more breakdowns of the best gear from the USA to the UK.